Good morning students. In last class we have seen effect of intensity of incident radiation. Today we will discuss about effect of frequency of incident radiation. In this particular case we are changing the frequency of the radiation by keeping intensity of radiation constant. That is, we are not changing brightness of the radiation. We are changing only frequency of the radiation. Now initially what I am doing, I am applying low frequencies to the emitter plate. When I am applying the low frequencies to the emitter plate, when this type of radiation is incidenting on the emitter plate, there is no electrons are emitted from the emitter plate. That is, no photoelectric effect is observed. So what will I do? I am simply increasing the frequency of the radiation. At one particular frequency of radiation, what will happen? The electron is just coming out of the metal surface. That is, the photoelectric effect is just occurred at particular frequency of incident radiation. That frequency is called threshold frequency and it is denoted by the symbol nu0. Therefore, from this what will you conclude? At particular frequency of incident radiation, the photoelectric effect is just occur. That frequency is called threshold frequency. Or below the threshold frequency, the photoelectric effect does not occur. Therefore, we must always apply the frequency which is greater than the threshold frequency. Therefore, here you take, this is frequency, this is kinetic energy. When frequency is equal to threshold frequency, the electron is just coming out of the metal surface, but it is not moving. The velocity of the electron is equal to 0. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to 0. In next case, what I will do? I am increasing the frequency to nu1, which is greater than the threshold frequency. When nu1 frequency is incidenting on the emitter plate, again there is photoelectric effect is occur because it is greater than the threshold frequency. The emitted electrons are starts moving. They are having some velocity. Therefore, here when frequency is equal to nu1, kinetic energy is equal to Ke1. Is it clear? In second case, what I am do? I am again increasing the frequency, that is equal to nu2, which is greater than nu1. nu2 frequency is more greater than the nu1. In second case also there is photoelectric effect is observed because it is greater than the threshold frequency. When I am incidenting nu2 frequency to the emitter plate, the emitted electrons are having more velocity compared to the first case. Therefore, for nu2 frequency, the kinetic energy is equal to Ke2. It is observed that kinetic energy in the second case is greater than the kinetic energy in the first case. Because in second case, frequency is more compared to frequency in the first case. Therefore, from this what you conclude? If you increasing the frequency, here I am increasing the frequency from nu1 to nu2, automatically the electron's kinetic energy is increasing to Ke1 to Ke2. Therefore, if you increase the frequency, kinetic energy of the emitted electron is also increasing. If I plot the graph of kinetic energy versus frequency, up to certain frequency, that is threshold frequency, there is no kinetic energy is observed. That is, no photoelectric effect is observed. After threshold frequency, if you keep on increasing the frequency, the kinetic energy of the emitted electron is also increasing. If you are decreasing the frequency, kinetic energy of the emitted electron is also decreasing. From this graph, it is a almost straight line. From this, finally what you conclude is the kinetic energy of the emitted electron is directly proportional to the frequency of the incident radiation. If you increase the frequency, kinetic energy is also increases. Therefore, what is the final conclusion? The kinetic energy of the electrons is directly proportional to the frequency of the radiation. But what is the condition? The applied frequencies must be greater than the threshold frequency. Then the question comes here, if I increase the frequency, why kinetic energy is increasing? If I decrease the frequency of the radiation, why electrons' kinetic energy is decreasing? It is because if frequency of the radiation is more, then energy of the incident radiation is more, because energy of the incident radiation is given by E is equal to h nu. That is, energy of the radiation is directly proportional to the frequency of the incident radiation. When you keep on increasing the frequency, energy of the radiation is increasing. When energy of the radiation is more energetic, radiation is falling on the emitter plate, the electron will absorb more energy and they are coming out, they are moving with very fast. Therefore, when you keep on increasing the frequency, the emitted electron are having more kinetic energy. This is the second observation, that is the effect of the frequency.